welcome back, guys. And it's Imani YT. I decided to land at Paradise Resort to check my gun skill and how to face solo v duo situations or solo v trio situations or solo v squad situations and scrims and other stuff. Hope you enjoyed. As soon as I land, I got a Kar 98K and was checking for enemies in the backyard, and I couldn't land a single shot on that guy, and I got damaged, so I tried to fall back. As I got an M4, the guy who gets M4 is always happy, and I got bandages also, so I was healing myself, and then I go out and see what is happening right here. A guy knocked the bot and they stole the kill. Lol. Here I took an UMP and then I see this M7, like the OP gun and close combat. So, and I see people there and I throw my nade without cooking it that much. But still those people couldn't see because they're behind the wall. And there goes a nade which knocks two people right there. And I was very happy and I was shocked in fact. And there was a guy outside. That guy was healing. Love. I hear a guy's footsteps and I decide to jump down. And he comes out of this and boom. He didn't even get to shoot me. M762 is OP. He was a player because he finished one guy and I rushed inside to get the kill and it was a bot. Lol. And bot died. RIP. So right now at this point of time I hear a shot from where I landed, so I rushed there to get my kills, and only one guy was there and he died in my hands. At this point of time, I hear shots from the backside. I never knew people were there, but at this point of time, I knew people were there. So I rushed there, and this is not the correct manner of rushing. It should not be done like this to this building because it's very dangerous, as you'll give up an angle so that players can shoot you from the top. And I hear only two guys' footsteps. I thought they'll rush at me, but these people have never rushed at me. And I went out and checked, but no. And I decided to throw the nade, and now I started cooking, and he pops up his head. At this point of time, I get really terrified and I throw the nade somewhere else. And jiggle देके मार दिया उस बंदे को, like literal jiggle बोलते हैं ना. And I was waiting here so that I could heal, but this guy rushed at me, mad dog, and boom bam. Yes. So I saw two enemies just outside the Paradise Resort and just gave them a sweet spray, but that was not a very good spray, I suppose, because it was very shaky and I would have died right there, but it's okay, we survived. And I went to confirm my kills. As you can see, I confirmed a kill right there. And the second guy, he was sleeping. Oh my god, Snake. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, share and subscribe.